Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a come ride with me. So I'm going to keep the video quite raw, so I'm going to leave the sound from the GoPro in. So this is just me taking Evie around the block. I've got my mum with me just because when I take Evie round the village way, she sometimes gets a bit spooky and she gets really nervous and can't seem to do it by herself. So I'm just trying to get her confidence up, and bringing someone on the ground really helps her. You can see she's having a little bit of a stress poo, but everything's great. She doesn't really spook, so we haven't got that issue with her.
A car or a bike? Is it going to run me over? Probably.
So now going on to one of the main bits of roads, you can see we've got lots of cars rushing past, and a lot of people don't seem to know that you should probably slow down going past horses. Luckily Evie is quite calm and this doesn't faze her at all. She can so easily walk past cars and tractors going at speed, but you can see that she's very alert with her ears and she's got her head held quite high.
I mean, when a driving instructor speeds past you. Want to swap? Do you want to swap? She's been good. What?
So here we got a little bit stuck. When Evie gets a bit worried, she doesn't spook or freak out or anything like that. She'll just stand still, and sometimes she just needs someone on the ground just to cool her along and encourage her to start walking again. And you can see that she keeps looking towards my mum to check that she's still there.
The ditch, don't take me in it. I don't know what's bothering her. I mean, she was calm. No, it doesn't tend to do it. She has tractors go past at that speed.
So I'm now just swapping to my phone, just so I can get a better view of how she walks past this farm. She quite often gets a bit tense going past, so I just want to get a better angle, just so I can see her reaction. I know. Good girl. Good. So I'm just stopping for this van up ahead, but he's actually just waving me on, so I'm just going to trot her past. Even when she's in a kind of nervous mood, she'll happily trot past. Steady. Good girl. Good. Good girl. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Thanks. Good girl. Good girl. It's alright. Good girl. I know. Sheep. We're gonna wait. Evie, stand. Evie, stand. Stand. So as Evie has raced off, we're just going to stop up ahead and wait for my mum to catch up, just to make sure that for the rest of the journey she's got my mum next to her just to support her from the ground. Can we live there? I know, Evie, look. Look at that. Good girl. Good girl. Steady. Watch where you walk in. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this style of video, please let me know in the comments and I'll know to do more in the future. And I look forward to seeing you next time.